today's video, I'm going to attempt to transform these images into a new one. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are in Photoshop. First of all, I want to use solid color to turn the image black and white, and then from the blend mode drop down, select color. And here we need to match the subject with the background, so from the adjustment layer panel, select the curves, and now you can adjust the color and lighting of the subject like this. You can remove the solid color. In the next step, I'm making it a bit more blue. After deleting the solid color layer, you can click on the curves layer again to make more changes. Alright, now we have reached the next part. Select the gradient map so that you can better match the subject with the background. Here, within the gradient map, we're supposed to select the areas for the highlights, the shadows, and the midtones. After this stage, you can further adjust the subject's color and lighting to better match the background. And now I reduce the opacity. Here, I feel like curves is needed, so let's dive in. Here, just like the previous steps, we need curves again because we want to add some light to the subject. Since it's bright light, you should make the subject as bright as possible here. Not too much, but yeah. Use Ctrl-I keys to invert the masking layer. Then move on to the brush tool and let's apply the glowing effect. To do something interesting. First, click on the main subject layer. Then go to the select panel and from the modify selection, choose contrast selection. And then press Alt Backspace. And now you can see a thin line surrounding your object. The darker area of the subject also needs to be cleaned up using the brush tool to make the image look more natural. And finally select the color mockup layer and then choose this option. And then reduce the opacity.